Hello everyone, welcome to my channel AJ Digital. Here I can suggest affiliate marketing, digital marketing tools, and also suggest the world's best websites to earn money online and money making app also. I can share the world's best affiliate program that you can earn money online. To join the link in the description box. If you're interested, so please subscribe to my channel and stay with me. I hope you are enjoying the video and also implement this knowledge into your online journey. Today I suggest one of the best websites where you can sell and promote ebooks, memberships, software, design assets, music or any type of digital products directly to your customers. For whole information, watch the video till the end. That's very great for you. Grab the opportunity to subscribe to the channel. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, link in the description box. Please subscribe to my channel so I make more videos for you, and don't forget to ring the bell icon. I also create a playlist of 10 earning sites and an online money making survey site. Thanks. Let's start the video.
What is Payhip? Payhip is an online business stage that empowers anybody to sell their work straightforwardly to their fans and supporters utilizing only a connection. You can essentially transfer your item, enter the cost, and begin selling on Twitter, Facebook, or your own site. If you visit the site and start with them, link in the description box. Is Payhip secure? Payhip is secure. We don't store card subtleties, all installments are dealt with by PayPal and Stripe. Step-by-step instructions to sell ebooks on your own website. 1. Set up your Payhip account. You can't sell your book without the correct stage, isn't that so? 2. Upload your ebook and other digital files. When your record is dynamic, you can begin adding advanced items to your site. 3. Connect your payment methods. 4. Embed Payhip into your website. How would you use Payhip? You can basically transfer your item, enter the cost, and begin selling on Twitter, Facebook, or your own site. Payhip deals with document stockpiling, installment preparing, and item conveyance to your clients. How would I download from Payhip? Downloading on mobile phones. 1. Open iTunes. 2. Connect the iOS gadget to your PC utilizing the included USB link. 3. Click the device, iPhone or iPad, button in the upper right corner. On the off chance that survey the iTunes Store, click the Library button first. 4. Click the Books tab. 5. Select Sync Books. How would I erase my Payhip account? To drop your membership, log into your record, and afterward, click on the Erase Account interface. Kindly note, your record will be promptly dropped, which implies you will presently don't approach drop. Supercharge your computerized item deals. Incredible promoting highlights that you need to develop your business. 1. Affiliate framework. Bridle the intensity of associates, enlist companions and partners and prize them when they make a deal. 2. Offer coupons. Run special missions with adaptable coupons. The breaking points, their utilization, add lapse dates, and significantly more. 3. Pay what you need estimating. Enable your clients by giving them the opportunity to name their costs. You can set a base. 4. Embed checkout and shopping basket. Drop the checkout and truck straightforwardly into your site for a consistent buy and download. 5. Social limits. Fuel your business development by taking advantage of online media, offer limits to clients who tweet and like. 6. Update clients. Stay in contact with your clients by advising them of new items and offers with our email refreshes. 7. Mailing records. Sync your clients to straightforwardly to your mailing records on MailChimp, Campaign Monitor, and some more. 8. Design opportunity. Modify all pieces of your checkout to accommodate your marking and cause clients to feel comfortable. Free from any and all harm. Hearty highlights that help secure your advanced downloads and keep your business flourishing. 1. Limit downloads. Intently monitor the number of download endeavors. Of course, clients can just download each record multiple times. 2. PDF stepping. We can stamp the purchaser's buy subtleties on each page of your PDF to deter clients from unlawfully sharing. 3. Programming licenses. Selling programming. We can deal with the age, stockpiling, and giving of keys to secure your product. All you and your individuals require. PayHip has all you require to run fruitful participations your clients will adore. 1. Member administration. Deal with your individuals' accounts yourself, effectively see their charging history, and handle retractions. 2. Custom charging stretches. Make designs that charge your individuals week by week, month to month, or any custom charging stretch that you'd like. 3. Email notices. Individuals will get messages after fruitful solicitations. Bombed receipt messages remind them to refresh the card. 4. Industry driving security. Exchanges and installment subtleties are scrambled and ensured with tough safety efforts. 5. Free preliminaries. Arrangement-free preliminaries for your enrollments with the goal that clients can attempt your administration prior to being charged. 6. Upload any restrictive substance. You can transfer any sort of selective substance for individuals to see, PDF, recordings, text, MP3, and that's only the tip of the iceberg. 7. Embed on your site. Implant the participation framework on your site where clients can log in and deal with their records. 8. Mobile, tablet, and work area. Enrollments will look lovely paying little heed to the gadget. Intended to make it simple for clients to information exchange. I hope you all are enjoying the video and start from today. If you get more videos, subscribe to my channel and show your love by leaving a comment. Do not forget to smash the bell icon. Good luck. Don't forget to